And William's making a cookie cake today.
Michael, you forgot to introduce the channel. And
No.
don't... What?
No.
And don't eat on Mom's couch. Hello everyone, this is Lego Zombies, etc. And today we're gonna try to make a cookie cake. Okay guys, I'm finally gonna start. Now, most people, they've got their computers in the room to view a live chat of the video. But, since I don't have any friends, instead I'm doing this. Watching Shaun of the Dead. It's my favorite movie, in case I haven't made that clear. But what you're gonna need to make this is you'll need the cookie mix. I'm using salted caramel. I do like salted caramel. And you'll need a stick of unsalted butter that's been softened, but not melted, okay? And, oh, that was a bit awkward. And an egg. Now, I did something similar to this during the summer with muffin mix. But I couldn't film that because I didn't have my phone because my mom took it away for flipping out after my Instagram got hacked. Anyway, you take the egg. Want to make sure that none of the shell gets in the bowl. There, crack it in there. Then, how do I open the... You know, screw this. I'm gonna go get some, scissors, then I'll be back. Ah. So, noodle is null. Okay, Michael has an announcement to make.
I'm going to the eye doctor and make glasses. Basically, so I don't think I can be with you guys, but promise you'll save some of the cookie cake for me.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna share it with you. First thing we gotta do though is pick out the mix.
Okay.
Grandma, you're okay with us using the cookie mix, right?
What?
You're okay with us using the cookie mix, right?
Actually, we're not going to do that. So.
Like what? I don't know any one of the bags. Preferably not peanut butter, you know it.
That's all there is.
Okay. And there's an I in meat pie, and the anagram of meat is team, I don't know, it's... I love that movie. So damn much. But anyway, in the meantime, kind of open the bag, pour the whole thing in there. Do not eat raw cookie dough. Oh, who reads the bags anyways? Okay, so you're gonna want to heat the oven to 375. I think that would be bake. 375. Start. Yeah, I think that's it. Now I want to get a spoon and stir all this together. You know what, stirring is, really, really hard. Screw it. So, instead of stirring it all together, I'm gonna use this electric mixer. If the outlet will let me, that's it. Just mix it all up. Mixing it up. This will take a while. mixer. Yep, that'll do. I had to cut that part out because, Shaun was, like, saying, let's just go out. Then Liz said, what, to the Winchester? And then Shaun's like, well, do you want to? And then Liz shouts, no, I don't want to. So I had to cut that part out. Okay, while I'm waiting for the cookie mix to cook, I noticed that a bird flew in here. Poor little guy. Just gonna... I'm just gonna put him right, here until I can think of anything else to do with him. Okay, the stove just beeped. That means that it's time to actually cook these. So, you open up the stove, slide it in, close it, and we want to set a timer for like, I'd say that since this is super large, 20 minutes. Yeah, that should be enough. Okay, so while I'm waiting for Michael to get back, I guess I should work on that stop motion he made. Wonder what happened to that bird. We're on a train. This is so much fun. But this probably isn't gonna be a full video. Wait, is that a flying T-Rex? And hey, while I'm waiting for the cookie cake to bake, I decided to do a little experiment. There's this scene in Shaun of the Dead where Pete flips out at Shaun and Ed and basically screams the F word, like spams it. So I wanted to count how many times anyone says the F word, and in that specific scene, and I counted like about 13 times, I guess, I don't know. Okay guys, I finally got the cookie cake done. The camera's being held on by the little seal fan thing. Now I'm gonna cut myself a slice. That might have to do. It's a bit crumbly, but I'm gonna take a bite. Wait a minute. Oh my god. I just realized that the guy that plays Eli Mills in Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom also plays Noel in Shaun of the Dead. That's Rafe Spall. Oh my god. How did I not know this for all these years? Hang on, I think I hear crying. Is that crying? Oh my god. You poor little thing. You know what, just wait right here while your new daddy, Williams, goes to get you some milk. Maybe I'll give him a slice of that cookie cake too.